Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is a bat house I had in a video sometime back, and I can't even tell you how long it's been in my shop, but I've moved it, and always, well, I need to put it up tomorrow. So this is a tree I trimmed up, and I said this would be a nice place because I can see this area from a porch, kind of tell if bats are nesting in here or not, and it'd be easy for me to keep an eye on. If not, I'll move it somewhere else. But it's a pretty nice cedar bat house. I don't know why, just one of them things you always want to get around to doing, but keep forgetting about. But it's got 2 slots in there, so hopefully there'll be room for a lot of bats, and I like them for keeping down the pests and everything else. So I'll update you on this, let you know how it's going. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.